Hello everyone! I finished this AnnaMason lesson, the Honeybee, April 25th of 2017. This is categorized as an advanced lesson in the school tutorial. We had an option to choose which categories of subject to paint. Like if you are a beginner, you can choose an easy one, and then if you feel confident enough to start with more advanced lesson like this Bumblebee, then you fall to advanced category, skipping the intermediate level. Again, I would like to give credits to Miss AnnaMason for her unselfish sharing of her talent. I really like to challenge myself in a more complex subject to paint to know how far I can go. So when I started to paint this Bumblebee, I know that this will be a kind of very advanced subject for me because I just joined the tutorial class March of that year, so only a month that I'm doing the beginner's lesson. AnnaMason approach is hyper-realism, and for me it is my privilege to learn from her online tutorials. Her knowledge and great talent is my inspiration in sharing my final output to all of you, my friends. To make it easy for me to paint, I made the illustration or the photo reference larger print for me to clearly identify the fine details, especially with the hairy texture of this Bumblebee. She teaches us the color mixing and how to balance and assess the tonal value. I have a photo and videos on how I carry on in painting these bumblebees. So there are some points that I cannot figure out what I am doing. I lost my self-confidence in continuing at some early stages of my painting here. I guess it is normal, and that's okay. The good thing of doing the things you love most is there's no schedule or deadline to finish. You can work at your own pace and time. So this is the reason why very seldom that I accepted painting commission, because I want to enjoy the therapeutic benefits of watercolor painting. The materials that I use here, the paper is the Arch watercolor paper. It's a hot press and 300 GSM or 140 pounds, and this is the big size that I'm using, the 12 inches by 16 inches, and this is 100% cotton. This is in a black watercolor paper, so both sides of this are glued, and you'll just take it off if you are done. So enjoy and relax while watching my videos, and thank you again for subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you again on my next series of video. Thanks everyone, and bye.